Here we have a 2017 17-plate Mercedes-Benz C220D AMG Line Premium. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 18-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the silver brushed metal brake calipers just hiding behind. Now you do have the LED headlights as well as the black Panoramic style front grille. Now you do also have that front spoiler splitter, which does look very good indeed. Really does make this car stand out from the front. Now we do have the Panoramic Sunroof, which is currently open, blacked out styling, so you get the black window trim with the privacy glass on the rear. Now you do get quad tip exhaust flush at the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. You also have that rear spoiler lip just there as well. Now with this vehicle you do get a power assisted rear tailgate, front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Now it's free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle, especially with the blacked out stealth look. Now if you go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now as you can see you do have the chrome door handles just to break up the full blacked out stealth look. We have full leather throughout with ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrest with storage just in there and 2 nice sized cup holders. You also have storage behind the passenger in the driver's seat with your vents just in the centre. On the doors you have your electric windows, brushed metal trim and integrated speakers. Now going to the front, there's a look at the driver's full leather front seat with the extended thigh support, just like the passenger, and both driver and passenger do have the function just there, as they are full heated electric and memory. And there's a look at the panoramic sunroof. Now jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto lights, you also have your keyless start. So foot on the brake, push the button, and then the vehicle will then start. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. You also have cruise control speed limit just down there on the stalk. Now as you can see this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 29,740 miles. Now coming to the screen just in the centre, you can see we do have the radio, which is DAB. We do also have navigation, media connectivity and also phone connectivity via Bluetooth. Now we do get different drive modes, where we get Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sports Plus and also Individual. I'll put that back into Comfort. Then we do have the rear reversing camera with a visual display of your front and rear parking sensors just in the bottom right hand corner. Coming down here we have your dual zone climate control. Now this works exactly how you would expect it to. Now you control it from just down here and it's displayed at the bottom of the screen just there, as you can see. Now you do also have ice cold aircon for those hot summer days. Gloss black trim all along the inside of this car, matched with the brushed metal trim, which is a very nice combination. Pop this open, 2 nice sized cup holders, storage where the key is, and also 12-volt connectivity. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. So you got the dial, you also have the button just there and there. Drive mode, select parking sensors and also stop start on off, volume, and you can turn the screen on and off with this button. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath, a touch of a button just there. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather front seat with the extended thigh support. Now I'm going to show you that the heated seats work exactly how you'd expect them to. As you can see, working just fine for the passenger and the same for the driver. Now looking up, you have the panoramic sunroof. Open and close it from just this button. So push forwards and then it'll close, pull towards you and then open. And as you can see, works exactly how you'd expect to see. And you'll see the blind go back, just like so. Now to close the blind, simply just press that button again. And then the blind front and rear will then close. And as you can see, works exactly how you would expect it to. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.